Yo guys, what's going on? So welcome to another video. So today is July 23, Tuesday. Okay, so we're trading again the London session. So ngayon ang gamit ko ulit is yung funded account ko. So nakikita nyo naman sa taas. Ito. Okay, funded account to, tapos ito yung balance. Okay, so tingnan ulit natin kung mananalo ako or matatalo.
Order cancelled.
Okay, kinuha ko na yon kasi nakikita ko tong FBG na to. Pwede pa niyang balikan to. Okay, so tignan natin kung ilang points yun. From here to here. So that's basically, wait. Sorry. Wait lang. 93 tapos 10 tapos 20. So around 20 or 21 points. Okay? So ilan 'yon? Pag titingnan natin, 300 USD. Okay, so yung trade na 'yon, 300 USD. So panalo ulit. Another London session. So see you sa next video.